How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can change a spending limit for Instagram ads. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we proceed, please note that spending limits are not available for prepaid accounts or for any personal account. Your account must be business or creator's account. The spending limit ad on Instagram requires a valid payment method and it's not supported for the prepared account, and your account must be linked to Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, and the feature may not be available for any brand new accounts or for the certain reasons. So you have to look for all that criteria, and if you meet all of those criteria, then you can access or change the spending limit on Instagram. So here's how you can do it. Once you're on your home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're taken into your profile page, here tap on three line at the top right. Here scroll down a bit and under For Professional section, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Here tap on Add Payments at the top. And then tap on Payment Methods. Once you are taken into Billings and Payment section, scroll down a bit, and if you are eligible for changing the spending limits, there you will have an option to change the account spending limit. Tap on it and tap Edit and then Change. Enter your desired spending limit and tap Save to apply the changes, and that's how you have or you can change the spending limit for Instagram ads. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.